Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 0x80040C01 installation error in Chrome. Let's get into it. First, initialize the Technical Studio Windows Update verification. Open your Windows Update settings in Technicality, select Check for updates for the latest session. Install any high-end security or framework updates that are pending to ensure the latest professional environment is fully authorized. This step technicality points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end data tunnels are technicality open and correctly routed. Next, execute high-end system incognito installation logistics. Temporarily technicality disable your high-end antivirus or firewall, and download the Chrome standalone installer for the latest version. Third-party interference is a professional standard in the latest browsing environments. It technicality removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional fluidity during latest high-end data sessions. Next, verify the professional environment and launch. After the registry and system changes are technicality applied, close all windows and restart your PC to finalize the latest diagnostic sequence. Launch the latest Chrome and technicality confirm that the 0x80040C01 error has been bypassed, and the high-end installation initializes with professional stability. Once the system technicality authorizes the new clean manifest, your high-end performance is live, allowing you to return to the latest competitive market. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.